Now, in this demonstration, we're going to prove to you the brilliance of Komori's offset on-demand solutions. Now, this is the 5-color Lithrone S29. Let me just open the cover there on the side of the delivery for you, because in there you will see this here. It does look like a conventional press from the outside, but you've got a high-power, ozone-free HUV lamp there. And that means that this press is capable of ultra-fast powderless drying, and that allows printed work to be passed across immediately to post-press for finishing. Thank you, Rude. Now, in addition, this press is also equipped with KHS AI, our print startup system, and that has a self-learning function ensuring that densities are okay by the 20th sheet from print startup. So therefore, making the absolute most of the ultra-fast drying that this press is capable of. In addition, all job changeovers are automatically controlled by smart sequence, so we have every reason for calling this the ultimate evolution of offset printing. Now, not only will you see this extraordinary performance in the demonstration, but the effect is going to be maximized by the combination of the offset and digital printing systems, which is all part of the Komori offset on-demand solution. So in this demonstration right now, you're going to see the combination of the Lithrone and the Impremia C80 digital printing machine, which is behind you in DoNet. Now, colour management on both is handled by Komori's own K-Colour simulator. Do pop by and have a look in the DoNet zone once this demonstration is finished. Now, we sell that on an OEM basis, and Rich is there to help you with any questions. But what are we going to show you right here, right now? Well, take a look at the minute monitor, and Rude, should we get started? So we'll get started on our first HUV job. We're going to print 200 sheets of a rough, uncoated paper, which is typically difficult to dry. And then we're going to immediately reload the printed sheets into the feeder. And we're going to print the other side as a work and turn job. After printing the reverse side of the sheet, the work's then going to go immediately to post-press. Good morning to you. And it's going to be saddle stitched and cut. And we're going to hand the brochure out to you before the end of this demonstration, which you'll be able to have a look at. So as you can hear, we've started printing the first side of the sheet at the maximum speed of 16,000 sheets per hour. Boy, you're quick. Is it okay? It's good. And is it dry? It is dry. It's been dried with a single lamp. Thank you, Rude. Marvellous job. Job done. So printing is now finished. Rude's now going to take those printed sheets back to the feeder, and we're going to print the other side with the same plates. And since it's a work and turn job, the plates don't need to be changed, and the operator will be able to begin production printing as soon as he checks front-back register on the first few sheets. Now, the HUV system is able to dry work that's being printed at 16,000 sheets per hour with the 120-watt lamp. And it doesn't require an exhaust duct or special ozone filters. Now, the secret behind this is in the development of HUV ink and the HUV lamp itself. We're going to show you a graph on the screen in just a sec. Blue represents classic UV and pink shows HUV. And the wavelengths used for HUV are in the ozone-free region. The visible light range to the infrared range, in other words, those that generate heat, are there on the right. And HUV outputs almost no heat. Now, we're going to print some copies of the work and turn job. Ruth will then check the front-back register, and then we'll get up to speed on production printing. Is it good, Ruth? It's good. So let's get up to speed and finish the first work and turn job. Now while we're printing, let me explain a little bit more about the features of the HUV system. First, it's really friendly to the environment. Power consumption is substantially reduced when you compare it to a conventional UV system, and that in itself contributes to a reduction in CO2 emissions. And also for the good of the environment, HUV is free from VOCs. On the screen there you can see the HUV lamp. The lamp itself, along with the housing and the filter, makes sure that the wavelengths stay in the region that doesn't produce ozone, or generate heat for that matter. There you go, final few sheets just coming off the press. Job done.